In this tutorial, we will review the process of inviting internal and external participants to a project in ProjectWise 365. To enable both internal and external participants to work with project deliverables via the Deliverables Management service, start by clicking the administration icon here. To manage your internal team, click Manage Team. Here you see the current list of internal project participants. To add a new user, simply click the green Add User button at the top right of the screen. Next, add a username or email address, or select from the list of users connected to your organization. Now, click the green plus button, then select the appropriate role for the new user. By default, each user will be assigned the role of team member. This allows the user to create and save a draft package, but not issue the package directly. In this scenario, a team member such as a document controller with more elevated privileges can then issue the package sometime in the future. Roles can be changed and customized at any time to provide the desired privileges to the team members. Now click Add Users to save the new user to the project. Modifying user roles is quick and simple. To start, click on the user whose role you wish to modify. Then click on Modify Roles. You will be presented with a list of available roles. Search for the appropriate role, in this case we'll choose Document Controller, then click the arrow to move this into the Roles to be Assigned box. There is no need to remove the team member's role, as the role with the higher privileges will supersede more restricted roles. Click on Modify Roles, then Submit to save your changes. We can now see the role of Document Controller has been added to this user. To see the privileges assigned to each role, first click on the Manage Roles button here. Then go to Project Roles in the left navigation. In this case, we are working specifically with Deliverables Management. So select ProjectWise Deliverables Management from this list of service access and permissions. Clicking on the team member here will highlight the privileges associated with this role. When clicking on Document Controller, you can now see the list of elevated privileges associated with this role. Disciplines 1 through 5 can be modified as desired to meet your project needs. Now let's look at adding external participants to a project. First, go to the Administration tab as you did in the previous example. Next, click on Manage External Organizations and then Invite Organizations. Now add the email address of the primary point of contact from the external organization you wish to collaborate with. This user will receive an email invitation to join this project. Once the user accepts the invitation, they will be able to invite their own internal participants to collaborate on the project. You have the option to include a message with the invitation, then click Send Invite to issue this invitation. Here we see the invitation is currently pending. Once the invitation has been accepted, you will receive an email notification informing you this invitation has indeed been accepted. Back in ProjectWise 365 Manage External Organizations, you can now see the status has been updated to Accepted, and there is currently one member from this organization added to this project.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.